Welcome back to Hack the Matrix. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the what is networking. We'll explore the different types of networks and learn how they work. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Before we begin, let's start with the basics. What exactly is networking? Networking is the practice of connecting devices and systems together to facilitate communication and data sharing. It plays a crucial role in our modern interconnected world, enabling us to access information, share resources, and communicate with one another. Networks can be classified into various types, each serving a specific purpose. Let's explore some of the most common types of networks you're likely to encounter. The first type of network we'll discuss is the local area network, or LAN. A LAN covers a small geographical area such as an office building, school, or home. It allows devices within its range to connect and share resources like printers, files, and internet access. LANs often utilize Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi technology to establish connections between devices. Ethernet cables provide a reliable and high-speed connection, while Wi-Fi allows for wireless connectivity. LANs are commonly used in homes and businesses to create an internal network for sharing resources efficiently. Moving on, let's talk about wide area networks, or WANs. WANs connect devices across large geographical distances. They can span across cities, countries, or even continents. WANs are typically established using telecommunication networks, such as the Internet or dedicated leased lines. They enable long-distance communication and allow organizations to connect their branch offices, share data, and access centralized resources. WANs provide connectivity on a larger scale compared to LANs, allowing for global communication and data transfer. Another type of network you might come across is the Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN. MANs cover a larger area than LANs but are smaller than WANs. They are often found in cities or metropolitan regions. MANs provide high-speed connections over a larger area, connecting various LANs within a city. They are commonly used by service providers to offer internet connectivity to businesses and residential areas. MANs bridge the gap between LANs and WANs, providing faster communication within a specific region. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of wireless networks. A wireless network allows devices to connect without the need for physical cables. It utilizes radio waves or infrared signals for communication. Wireless networks have become increasingly popular, especially with the rise of mobile devices and IoT devices. Wi-Fi networks, for example, enable us to connect our smartphones, laptops, and smart home devices to the Internet without the constraints of cables. Wireless networks offer flexibility and convenience, allowing devices to connect from different locations within the network's range. Now that we've discussed the different types of networks, let's delve into how they actually work. At the heart of every network is the concept of data transmission. When you send or receive data over a network, it's broken down into small packets. These packets travel across the network from the source device to the destination device. The packets may pass through multiple devices such as routers and switches along the way, each responsible for directing the packets to their intended destination. Routers are intelligent devices that determine the best path for data packets to reach their destination. They examine the destination address of each packet and make decisions on where to send them next. Routers ensure that packets take the most efficient route to reach their destination, optimizing network performance. Switches, on the other hand, are responsible for connecting devices within a network. They learn the MAC addresses of devices connected to them and use that information to forward data packets only to the appropriate devices. Switches improve network efficiency by reducing unnecessary data transmission to devices that don't need it. As the packets reach their destination, they are reassembled in the correct order to retrieve the original data. This process happens seamlessly and quickly, allowing for efficient communication and data transfer across networks. And that's a wrap on today's video, where we explored the various types of networks and how they work. We covered local area networks, LANs, wide area networks, WANs, metropolitan area networks, MANs, and wireless networks. We also discussed the fundamental concept of data transmission and the role of routers and switches. Networking is an exciting field with many intricate details, But I hope this video provided you with a solid foundation and a better understanding of how networks operate. As always, if you have any questions or want us to cover any specific topics in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy networking.